Hi guys, Silver Ninja here, doing a little video on how to install the bot on your Discord server. So if you have access to my Discord support server, there is a how to set up the server on here. So basically you will follow these simple steps. First steps, we're gonna install the bot or invite the bot to our Discord server. So I'm clicking on this link, selecting the server. In this case, it's my MSFWarBOT demo. This is basically a new Discord server that I created. I'm going to just accept the role. The WarBot doesn't need to be a Discord admin. He's not doing anything with roles. You are doing it. Making sure I'm not a robot. Awesome. So going to my server, I'm going to go to the demo. I have this Discord server set up very simple. There's a general area and there is an area for each of my two alliances, Alliance A and Alliance B. Simple members have access to Alliance A and members B have access to Alliance B. So if we look at my members list right now, you can see I do have the WarBot on here now. The WarBot don't have access to the demo alliance yet. All right, so that was step one. Step two, we need to create those roles. So you need a Discord admin to create those roles. I'm gonna copy the first one and then we'll create the other two as well. So I'm gonna go to my Discord. I'm in the server setting under role. I'm going to create two roles. These are dummy roles. They do not need to have any specific permission. The only important part is these roles are case sensitive and they need to be typed exactly like that. So I'm going to do this one, create a new one. The second one is going to be cluster counter. And the last one is alliance counter. All right, our three roles are created. Like I said, they do not need to have any specific permission. These drives what certain user can do in the bot, not what they can do in Discord. Okay, third step, we need to give access to the bot to our alliance. What is the best way and the recommended way is to assign your bot to the captain's role. So I would assign it to all of the captain's role in your Discord server. If you do not have a Discord role for captains, just assign it to your member. If you don't have a member role, I would highly suggest to create a member role and assign all your members to the role, and we'll see why in a little bit. And next one is I need to assign who can actually play with the bot or interact with the bot as an admin level, because users can talk to the bot directly. So I'm an admin here. That do not mean here because I'm a Discord admin that I can do administrative part of the bot. So I need to assign myself the admin WarBot. So if I go in one alliance and I enable the bot is now enabled. If I didn't have the role, I would have got an error saying this role doesn't work. So the alliance now can interact with the bot. So two things that needs to be linked to your app member, right? So when you do at Alliance A member, we need to set the category role for our alliance and member of Alliance A. So this will help the bot manage. As you assign users to your alliance, they will get assigned, or if you remove users from your alliance, they will get removed. If you use the clean user functionality, it will look at this role to remove users that don't belong to this role anymore. And then for alert, there's the set alert tag, and we use the same one, Alliance A member. So this one will be used when I set the alerts that this tag will receive the alert. So if I want to turn on the alert, I would go to the channel that I would love to have the alert. In our case here, in my scenario, I want the alert in my war announcement. So I would run war alert on, and now as my war starts, it should go here. So the bot doesn't necessarily know what zone I am, so if I do wartime and I pass in what time zone I want to see the wartime as this one, so it's currently set in zone 4, by default is zone 1, but you can set the zone that you correspond to your war, and then whenever the start of the war will go, you will receive in your announcement your thing. So if I don't want the WarBot to have access in general in war chat, I need to go to the permission, and I need to add the WarBot itself, not the role, but the WarBot itself, and then remove the access of that user to that channel. And then the WarBot is not going to be on here. So if I type any command for the WarBot, it's not going to react. And then I would do the same thing on this one here. And again, it's not the role, you want to remove the member from it. And I believe if you just remove the read message and maybe read history, that is gone. Yeah, correct. So that's how I would set up my Discord server for this. And so we've done the server setup and the administration setup. So now I can do W teams and see my teams. My user can start interacting with the bot. I hope this was useful, and you'll be back for more videos soon.